Alright guys, running punt 1063 for the first appearance of Gambit, CGC 9.6. Thanks everyone for such a quick fill. Let's have a look at the timestamp. So that is 4:12 on Monday the 4th of October, 4:12 Monday the 4th of October here in WA. I've already grabbed this list, but we've got Craig down at 148, and in spot 1 we have David. So let's have a look at David at spot 1, right down to 148 at Craig. So I'll roll this dice, 3 dice, give it a roll. 5, 10, 13 is the magic number. Good luck everyone. Let's go. 148 items in the list, which is good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so 11 times 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Alright, penultimate and last roll. Good luck everyone. Hit me up when you've seen this and I'll have it posted out tomorrow morning. Thanks everyone. Hopefully no one caught that. I didn't catch it. So 13 times 5, 10, 13. Let's have a look at the winner. And we have Craig with spot number 74. Congrats, mate. Commiserations to everyone else. Thanks for getting involved. I'll just get another timestamp. $4.14. $4.14. One last look. Spot 74 won for Craig Reed. And 13 times. 5, 10, 13 times. Thank you, everybody.